Action.
All right, my name's Keith, and I'll be leading you through the component identification of the NovaLinx precipitation collection device. What we have here is the collection cone that forces the precipitation down into the measuring tube. The measuring tube is calibrated to hold 2 inches of precipitation, and it's measured with the measuring dipstick. Anything over 2 inches is collected into this container, which holds 20 inches of precipitation, and the whole assembly is held in the galvanized steel stand.